Hello students, in our previous video we have discussed about the agency services of commercial bank. So these are amongst the secondary services. Now today in this video we are going to talk about secondary services, that is miscellaneous or general utility services. Miscellaneous means different type of services or various services. Now these are the services which are provided by commercial banks. So why these are known as general utility services? Usually modern banker provide the services to customers, but along with the customers they provide services to general public also. Therefore these services are known as general utility services. So these are various types of services. Miscellaneous means different types of services which are provided by the banker to the customers as well as to general public. Therefore these services are called as general utility services. Now, what are the general utility services? One by one, we will discuss these services. First point, safe custody of valuables. Second service, issuing letter of credit, traveler's check, gift checks, and credit cards. Third point, giving credit information. Fourth, underwriting work. Fifth, acting as a referee by giving status opinion of customers. So these are the miscellaneous or general utility services provided by the banker to the customer. Now one by one we will discuss these points in detail. First point, safe custody of valuables. So modern bank provides safe custody services to customers. Customers can deposit his jewelry, ornaments, LIC policies, shares, bonds, and valuable articles and documents in safe custody rooms. So, when the customer deposits these valuable articles in safe custody rooms with the bank, banker issues a receipt of it to the customer. Usually the safe custody articles or securities are returned by the banker to the customer himself and not to anyone else except the customer. But in case of death or lunacy or insolvency of the depositor, articles are to be delivered to his legal representative on production of documentary evidence. So usually the customer who has deposited all these valuables with the bank gives the receipt. If that person comes along with the receipt, bank returns those articles. But in case of death, lunacy or insolvency of that customer, the legal representatives of that person have to give the documentary evidence to the bank that he is the legal representative of that person and of that customer, and then bank returns these articles to that person. Second thing is issuing LOC, that is letter of credit, traveler's check, gift checks, and credit cards. Now what is letter of credit? So letter of credit is issued by one bank to another bank to serve as a guarantee for payments made to a specified person. Say for example, there are two banks, A bank and B bank. So a customer has taken loan from B bank. Now letter of credit will be given by A bank to B bank stating that such a person is a reliable person. Whatever money you have given to that person, I will be the guarantee for that person. So letter of credit is given by one bank to another bank, which serves as a guarantee for payments which are made to that specific person. Next is traveler's check. Traveler's check, it is a check of fixed amount, and that check can be encashed or used in payment abroad in other countries after endorsement, means signature of the holder of that check. So this was very useful, traveler's check, etc., before the invention of credit cards and debit cards. But nowadays with the use of credit cards, these travelers check have lost their importance, but those were important when credit and debit cards were not there. Such checks, the person holder of the check used to carry that check, and he was able to encash that check or use that check for payment abroad after putting his signature he could use that check. Next is gift checks. So gift check means any person can purchase a gift check from a bank, and that check is collectible at all the branch offices of the issuing bank in India. So gift check, one person gets that gift check from the bank, and he can give it to someone else also, and that check can be encashed, that was collectible by any branch of the same bank all over the country. That is gift check. Next is credit card. So credit card, as you know, everyone knows, that is, it is a card which is issued by the banker to his customers for purchasing from shops, etc. Third function, that is third general utility service, giving credit information. So modern bank collects the credit information about other businessmen through their fellow banker, and the same information is supplied to customer. Say for example, you are a customer of A bank. Now you want to deal in business, or you are dealing in business with person B. You want to know credit worthiness of that person. So you may approach your bank, and your bank may approach the bank of that person and get the credit information of that person, and it may provide that information to the customer. So modern banks, they collect credit information about other businessmen through their fellow bankers. So one bank will ask the information from the other bank regarding the credit worthiness of a businessman with whom the customer of the bank is dealing, and that information is provided to the customer of the bank. Fourth function is underwriting work. So underwriting work, the banker provides the services of underwriting of loans raised by the government. Underwriting, it is a sort of assurance, or it is a guarantee that if the loan will not be paid, they will pay the loan. So they act as the underwriters of loan which are raised by government and public bodies, and the capital which is issued by the companies. So we have discussed this point in secretarial practice, who are underwriters and what is underwriting work. So underwriting work for the loans which are taken by the government or public bodies, banks give underwriting. If they are unable to pay, bank will pay, and afterwards bank will get that amount, get that money from the government or public bodies. Then acting as a referee. So acting as a referee means bank give opinion about financial position, respectability and business integrity of customers. So how the bank can get the credit information about another businessman for the customer. In the same way, if other banks or another person asks the information about the customer, the bank gives the opinion of financial position, respectability and business integrity of customer of the bank. So these are the functions of the secondary functions of the bank, that is under the heading general utility services or miscellaneous services. So in our next class, we will talk about other new services or modern services which are provided by the bank to the customer. Thank you.